Hey, it's Lela. Thanks so much for tuning in. I've just finished using my Accu Quilt Go electric cutter and also the Stripology XL ruler to cut sashing and also borders for this current t-shirt quilt I'm working on for myself. Check out my previous video showing you how I've used the Stripology XL ruler as well as the Accu Quilt Go cutter to make borders and sashes. Here you will see me piecing the 2.5-inch sashes, which were cut using the Accu Go strip die. I'm adding these sashes to the t-shirts, which have been cut into 14.5-inch squares. After adding sashes to each row of the shirts, I have added a 3.5-inch border. This border is the actual length of the full t-shirt quilt. The strips were cut using the Stripology XL ruler. Later in the week, I will add matching backing using the same fabric. I'll share a photo of the nearly completed project at the end of this video. Thanks so much for watching my videos. Have a great day, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more content. Take care now. Thank you. Here's a layout of the t-shirts with just the bottom sashes added and one border just in the middle there. Each of these shirts have a very special meaning to me, and it warms my heart to have the ability to preserve them. Here I have completed all the sashes and all the borders. I am really happy with the progress so far. Can't wait to do the backing.